What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Solid checking back in with another video. On today's video, I'll be doing the front brake pads on the Honda Civic. After you loosen those bolts up and got the wheel off, come to the rear, take the two 14 millimeter caliper bolts off. One at the top, one at the bottom. Once you got those two bolts out, you want to take a screwdriver or something and pry this caliper off, just like this. I'm gonna take and sit this to the side somewhere. That way it don't fall. After you pry your caliper off and set it to the side, you want to take a screwdriver and pry your brakes off, as well as the hardware. Take your new pads and new hardware, install it onto the caliper bracket. They go in there just like this. And then you want to take a C-clamp in the old brakes to push the piston down on the caliper. After compressing the piston, you want to install the caliper back onto the caliper bracket. Put the two bolts in, the 14 millimeters, the one at the top and the one at the bottom. Tighten them up. Put your wheel back on. And you are done with the passenger side. Now move on to the driver's side and same steps, but I'll still show you. Now we're on the driver's side. Jack the car out, take the 5 lug nuts out, 19 millimeter. Get this wheel out of here. Two 14 millimeter bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom on the caliper. For some reason, the two bolts that are on the caliper are 12 millimeters on the driver's side. So in my case, take out the two 12 millimeters. Pry the caliper off. Sit it to the side. Pry your pads out. If yours come with new hardware, take out these old hardware pieces and install the new ones. If not, just leave these in. Clean them off with a wire brush if you don't have anything else. And then install your new pads. If you have brake grease, go ahead and put brake grease right here on the surface of the new brakes, front and rear. Take your old pad with a C-clamp, insert it right here. Use the C-clamp to push the piston down. Once you push the piston in, install the caliper back onto the bracket, put the two 12 millimeter bolts back in, one at the top, one at the bottom, tighten them down, put your wheel on, you're done. And that's all, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and turn on your post notifications to be notified when I post videos similar to this one. Y'all have an amazing day. Peace.